Hey guys, it's me, the doll. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just got back from Walmart. I'm gonna actually show y'all the stuff that we got, and I'm going to the pool, my man apartment. I'm so proud of him, y'all. He got him an apartment. Like, I'm not gonna show it because I don't know if you want me to show it, but our matching shirts today. We looking good, feeling good. But I'm gonna go. Let me show y'all my swimsuit. It's National Girlfriend's Day, and he got me some flowers. Let me go show y'all the flowers, actually. Let me go show y'all. They're right here. Look at them. You can barely see them, but isn't it so cute? Like, I just love roses. Ooh. I love roses, but I'm so proud of my man. He got his own apartment, but I definitely will be vlogging up in here. So let me go get my my swimsuit so y'all can see. Okay, so I got this from Walmart. Got this from Walmart. Like, that's really cute. It's a cute black top. And then I got like some bottoms. I didn't get like, there wasn't any bikini there wasn't like bikini ones in my size, so I had to get shorts. Size small, and it's $10.98. So yeah, get ready for the pool, and I'll get back to y'all when I guess we're at the pool or whatever. Or yeah, I'll get back to you. Okay guys, so we're right here at the pool.
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
I'm finna get up in. My man don't want me to show my swimsuit, so blame him.
What you mean blame him?
I mean, you know, like for the girls who want to see my swimsuit. I don't got no sunglasses. Let me get in. Hopefully my phone don't drop in there. I'm on the steps because I'm scared of getting in, y'all. Like, I'm so scared. But chilling poolside, not curbside. I'm gonna get in though for y'all. Okay, it's like 3 feet. This ain't nothing. Come get in. Don't jump in. I swear to God. Don't jump in.
All right.
We're also gonna sunbathe in them chairs, but yeah, it's pretty hot. But the hotness with the cold water, A1. I'm scared. I'm just squatting. All right. So bright, y'all. But we sunbathing for a little bit, and then I'm gonna go back in the pool, and then we're gonna go back home or back inside and make some spaghetti. Ooh, this sun is too hot. I definitely want to take a picnic out here, babe. Open up that door. Home sweet home.
You can clean it, yeah.
Wait, so what? Ooh, it's dark. Okay, y'all, so hopefully y'all can hear me. I got this air conditioner on. The computer, a Chromebook. My sister said I probably should have got a laptop instead of a Chromebook, but I ain't want to pay all that money. So I'm gonna just go ahead and unbox this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this with my hands. Yeah, I'm not. No, I'm making it. It's a Chromebook Plus. Look at that. That's so cute. Ooh, yes. Okay, guys, so we finna do a food review. So we got spaghetti, catfish nuggets, and garlic bread, and some. Y'all see that? All right, let's start with the garlic bread. Cheers.
Yeah.
I love me some
Let
garlic
me
bread.
keep fleeing. Let me keep fleeing.
Stop.
Okay, yeah. Now review it.
I'm confused.
We're gonna watch TV, so we're gonna get it.
I don't get it. 10 out of 10. Well, I give it a 9 out of 10. It's a little hard, but it's okay. Now to the catfish nugget. It tastes like chicken. This tastes like chicken.
You like chicken, don't you? So you like it?
I'm a chicken. Let's get into the big dog. Hold on. Oh my God, I did not pray. Fuck you up.
That shit good.
It's really salty though, but it's good. Y'all want some? Open up. Okay, guys. That's the end of this video. But any words that you want to say?
No.
First of all, I want to give a public congratulations to my man. Another one. Another congratulations. He got his own apartment and car in just a little bit over a month. And there's been a lot of ups and downs, but he made a way. And I am so proud of you, babe.
Thank you.
You know I already told him that, but
You know I couldn't do it without you.
aww. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to vibe. And when you go in the pool, please don't dive.
That was hard.
Oh, wait, no. Okay. We out. We finna have a good night.